subsequent, you can say, rise up of national countries. And it was also the year when Vienna was connected to Trieste. This is why you can see this railway passing down the train station and connecting to Trieste. At the end of Fresco is the man with the bar, is lovely. Like some of them they are asking me, but it is another writer, who was the head of our first political movement, which was called United Slovenia at that time. And the western part of Fresco is dedicated to the 20th century. We can say to the first demands of the workers, the first rebellions, and again a writer with moustache, Ivan Cankar, with his slogan, "Nation will write its own destiny."
Beautiful fresco which represents important moments in our history. It is work of Slavko Pengov, one of our painters. The fresco starts at that corner and goes round and round, and then in the time when this building was finished, it was in 1959. The works started here in 1954 and they were finished in 1959.
The seats, the members of Parliament and the Assembly will have only 90 deputies. So usually you can see here 4 big cameras, and the national television is broadcasting all the sessions of the National Assembly. And now for about 9 years we have a contract with the national television. We have also special program, parliamentarian program, so-called third channel, and if somebody wants, can the whole day watch sessions of different committees. So we have many empty seats. We can only explain this to everybody to see the result. So today is better that nobody comes to the day after a largest number of members of Parliament, because the situation is not really, we can say, very colorful today. But this is the result, and only when you can see these cards which are inserted in the tables or in the desks, these are the posts of members of Parliament. The others are empty. In front of you, the highest desk is belonging to the presidency. The highest chair is for the speaker. 3 chairs, they are for 3 vice presidents. The 4th chair is for the secretary general, and the seats below, they are belonging to the government. So at least once per month, when we have a regular session, if somebody needs toilet is here on the right, maybe. History.
Dear participants of PACE 2016, I'm glad that I can welcome you here in our National Assembly, since I have been also part of Red Cross movement before entering into politics. I'm really glad that you are here, that I can welcome you here, and I'm glad actually that we are this year celebrating 2 things. One of those is the existence of the Red Cross in other territories of Slovenia for 150 years, and also 25 years of our anniversary, and those things are more or less coming together with your event. So I'm very glad that I can welcome you and that we can meet here. And I'm glad also to see new leadership of Slovenia Red Cross, with the new president, secretary general, and I really hope that also we will be able in the future to maintain humanitarian phase of the state, because this is not easy. Challenges are big, and with the first head at hand, those challenges can be much more easily, or at least I hope that in a way that all people and all those who need help will receive. So thank you very much for coming here. And those days, those from our presidency, they will say that we have a lot of things politically and otherwise, not just that hot is outside, but also sometimes inside politics as well. So excuse me not having more time for you. Definitely very heavy, but yeah, things are going so far that sometimes scheduled for the day starting from, let's say, 1 hour. So I'm glad that you're here, and I congratulate also to Slovenian Red Cross Society for making all this important event, and I hope that we will remain in touch and help each other, because no state can actually really survive without working Red Cross Society. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your
Just stand together as close as possible. From this side, all to the carpet, please. All to the carpet. A little bit more close from this side.
Treba našim državam da promovira tiste dobre ideje, ki so. In jaz mislim, da je vsega dobra ideja, ko že rečemo 150 let na ozemlju, to se rečemo Sloveniji, ampak na tem ozemlju to vse kar malo, včasih pa se ne malo prelikati. Včasih na kakve tisoč let presnove, politično mora biti malo politički korektni so svoje recimo, še malo da se diferencirava. Ampak tako malo se je vsega čaka pomembno.
Ste mogoče, če bo se imel
unikatno delegacijo. Zdaj do 29. junija vas seveda vabimo še tudi v Jakopičevo sprehajališče, kjer je nastalo 120 fotografij panojev v velikosti 1,80 m, celotne zgodovine Rdečega križa na Slovenskem.